You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. Let's learn how to pronounce correctly in French and how you can easily say it in English. The name of this French politician. The French way to say saying it is François Bayrou. François Bayrou, if you cannot pronounce French perfectly. In English, you can say it as François Bayrou. François Bayrou. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.